In a land of fiery mountains and mischievous clouds, lived a volcano named Vesuvius. Vesuvius was a bit of a grumbler. He often felt grumpy and would let out loud, booming sneezes that shook the entire island. These sneezes weren't just any sneezes. They were eruptions of hot ash and molten rock, much to the dismay of the nearby villagers. The clouds, fluffy and playful, found Vesuvius's sneezing quite amusing. They would gather above him, giggling and teasing. Achoo! Vesuvius! Did someone tickle your toes? This would only make Vesuvius grumpier, causing him to sneeze even louder and harder. One day, a wise old owl, perched on a nearby branch, saw the commotion. "Why all this fuss?" he hooted. "Why don't you try to make friends with the clouds, Vesuvius?" Vesuvius scoffed. "Friends with those mischievous clouds? They only tease me." The owl smiled. "Perhaps they tease you because they don't understand. Why don't you try explaining how you feel?" Hesitantly, Vesuvius grumbled. "I don't like feeling so explosive. It's uncomfortable." The clouds, surprised by Vesuvius's words, stopped teasing. They realized that Vesuvius wasn't trying to be mean. He was simply trying to express himself. From that day on, the clouds and Vesuvius became friends. The clouds would tell him funny stories, and Vesuvius would share his worries. Sometimes, when Vesuvius felt a sneeze coming on, the clouds would gently cover him with a cool, soothing rain, helping him to calm down. And so, the land of fiery mountains and mischievous clouds became a place of understanding and friendship. Vesuvius still sneezed occasionally, but now his eruptions were much smaller, and the clouds would cheer him on, knowing that he was simply expressing himself in his own unique way.